Good morning, fellow rebels. Welcome back to our channel. If you watched our last travel video, you know that we were in Utah and we went back home to Arkansas for Shane's mom. She passed away, and so we stayed there for a couple of weeks, which is never really enough time to spend with family, especially when you've got something like that going on, because then there's a lot of extra stuff you gotta do. But anyway, so we are now down in the Austin, Texas area. We're not actually staying in Austin, but we're on the outskirts. And today we're going to the Texas State History Museum, and we're gonna get something to eat, and we'll show you a little bit of downtown Austin. And we've been through Austin a couple times just driving the RV through, but we've never actually stopped to do anything. So we've got a lot of stuff to explore, but today we're just gonna go do a few things, and then we're gonna take you along with us. Poor Snickers can't go with us today, so she's a little bummed, and we are too, but we'll show her to you a little bit later. And in the meantime, let's go. Before we go to the museum, we've come to a pretty famous place here around Austin called Gordo's. It's an actual food truck that serves donuts, apparently not your typical donuts, and you're gonna see it's such a really cool little place here. We're gonna get out and show you, so I'm excited. So this is Gordo's. Look, it's in an RV, and they got little places to eat, sit and eat out here. Isn't that the cutest thing? And they've got the donut out here. This is Gordo's, but it's spelled G-O-U-R-D-O-U-G-H-S. Very cool. I guess there's a picture spot. Don't mind if I do. This is really cute. Let's see. Oh my goodness, what can we get here? Oh wow. It's a lot to choose from. I have no idea what to get. There's too many choices.
And the choices are pretty strange. Let's admit that they're not normal choices. So, but that chair is cool.
I know. I guess it's a photo op.
Yeah. So I ended up getting the Mother Clucker, and it is on. It's savory, but it's on donuts, so that's going to be interesting. And Susan got the what?
I got the Flying Pig, so I can't wait. Oh, we each got a Mexican Coke.
By the way, if you come here, the parking is not free. It's about $13.80 for 1 hour. So
keep that in mind.
Keep that in mind.
What is this gonna look like? Oh my gosh. That's the Flying Pig, and oh my goodness, that was the Mother Clucker. Holy mackerel. Oh, this maple smells delicious. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig into that.
There's a donut underneath there. It's part of the donut. Wow. Looks like crack. I don't know what crack is like, but what do they put on that? Yeah, the donut is crazy good.
Have you got some honey sauce?
Yeah, I don't know what the sauce is. I don't know how to explain that. I don't even know. Everybody said it was crazy good, but it's crazy good.
Oh my gosh. That is good. I give this place 2 thumbs up.
I'm gonna let Susan try mine.
That's good.
That's next level.
Y'all, we have been away from the humidity way too long. We are little pansies, I guess. My gosh.
In Utah, where there's no humidity, and come here where there's 1,000% humidity.
Oh, it's not even that hot today, and it's overcast, and it is humid. You can tell my hair is frizzed to beyond. Shane's got a little
I got a little
whoop-de-doodle landy.
Landy in my hair here. I can't help it. This is the way I look.
Woo!
It's
It's 81 degrees, but it's all overcast, so, and it doesn't feel too bad when you get the breeze, but man, just standing there, sitting there, it's rough. We'll have to acclimate ourselves again to humid climates.
Yeah, we walked about a kind of a long block, about a block and a half down there to the Austin sign, welcome to Austin sign that everybody takes a picture in front of. But just there and back. Wow. Yeah.
I wish I'd have worn shorts and my hair up. My makeup's gonna melt off.
So if you do come to Gordo's here, just remember, it's just about a block and a half away to that Austin sign.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool little place. Well, they say keep Austin weird, isn't
Keep
that
Austin weird, yeah.
That's the slogan, and it's definitely weird.
And now we're going to head over to the Texas State History Museum.
That bridge over there is Congress Bridge. It's where all the bats fly. We'll go there at some other time. Wow, Shane just said that at the time that Austin State Capitol was built, it was the 7th largest building in the world. Wow. Shane's going to try these to see if he has what it takes to get dinner. Is he going to be able to kill him? Oh, I thought it was going to actually do something. How difficult are they to pull back?
Not too bad.
Oh, no, they're not too bad. Yeah. I thought it was going to be like really difficult.
Oh, this is a ship that came over from France. I don't know what year that was, 1680s. Wow. That's cool.
It's crazy something that old still exists.
I know.
Like that, even in that good a shape.
I know,
That
that's
is
true.
nuts.
Oh,
This is a lot of stuff that was on that ship.
Holy cow. LaSalle. That's all their ammo. Those old guns. Cannonballs.
Tells you how many of each one they had.
Found on a skeleton's finger bone.
The facade of this theater represents the Alamo Missions Church as it would have looked in the aftermath of March 6, 1836.
That's cool.
The bullet holes actually represent where they were. They were truly shot at the Alamo. This represents all the belongings that were there after the war.
Basically recreated all this to be fairly accurate, all the bullet holes and everything. That's pretty cool. Postcards.
I love postcards. I like that one. Oh, this is really cool. That's crazy.
Just taught me so much. Not only
environment, which is nothing like Earth, of course. There's no wind there, there's no atmosphere there.
They're not going to start pumping oil.
I had some shoes like this, those jelly shoes. I had some of those. They didn't look like that, but they were that material. Of course, we had these.
Yeah, cassette tapes.
Yeah.
VHS. What's up with these kids and their looks on their faces? Look like they're up to no good. It's pretty interesting. So, natural unrefined crude oil can look, it can be black, brown, blue, yellow, orange, red, green, or even crystal clear. Wow. That's interesting. Different kinds of crude oil. That's really interesting. Yeah, I guess that's how it looks when it comes right out of the ground. Oh, it's still down here, it's dark. There's my oil right there. Wood.
Look at this thing. That is crazy.
do you remember what this is called?
They're crazy drilling bits.
Yeah, I thought they would tear some stuff really quick. F5 tornado, a mile wide, 200-mile-an-hour winds. It's a baby dead frame.
It says here that 90 years later, hundreds of pieces of mangled debris can still be found on ranches east of town from those tornadoes. That's crazy.
90 years later.
Texas holds multiple records for the worst natural and industrial disasters in the nation.
That's nothing to be proud of, is it?
Yeah, no, not really.
Oh, it's a tornado over the Capitol. That's cool.
The Don't Mess with Texas anti-littering campaign kicked off at the Cotton Bowl in 1986. Welcome to Texas. Drive friendly the Texas way. I don't think Texans know that.
They don't know that. That is not true. You talk about tailgating and speeding really fast.
I don't see nothing so neat.
do you know about it?
Just looks like more Texas as far as I'm concerned.
You don't have to lie.
Texas Cowboy Bill Pickett took the
So people, it's barbed wire, not barbed wire.
Yeah, it's not Bob.
That is or barbed wire. That's a pet peeve of mine when people call it barbed wire. I'm like, it's barbed wire.
Barbed.
Barbed. Because it has barbs on it.
Barbed.
Or
Tudor Cannon. That's old Charles Tudor Cannon. You know him. No. Well, I guess he's famous saddle maker. There's his spurs.
ah, we just got back home and Snickers is so excited. Oh, we missed you. We missed our baby girl. Oh, you hot breathing me.
Hot breath.
We got a new sticker to put on the outdoor bay door, and then we got a pretty cool magnet here. It's got the state capitol and the Alamo, and what is that? Oh, it's got a rattlesnake, a taco, cowboy hat, cowboy boots, an armadillo, an oil rig. I'll put that down here. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We hope that you will stick around and subscribe if you haven't already, and to see some more adventures that we go on, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It really helps us out. And until next time,
Live in the sunshine.
that's right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.